Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the rock cycle and the uses of rocks. Before we get start, let me tell you about the previous classes. In that we discussed about the rocks and the classification of rocks. We classified into three types. For in main category there are igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. There are three categories of rocks. In that igneous we divided it again into two types, extrusive and intrusive. We made some example of that. After that, sedimentary, as you know that igneous is the primary rock, secondary one is the sedimentary. After the deformation of that igneous rock, sedimentary rocks formated, and after this sedimentary rock the metamorphic rock form. In that we discussed that what is the original form and when with the extreme pressure and heat temperature. With extreme temperature and extreme pressure they convert into metamorphic. So in that we does that limestone convert into marble, shale and clay convert into slate, granite convert into gneiss, sandstone convert into quartz and coal into graphite. So now at last we discussed that metamorphic rocks are very hard and dense. In the comparison of igneous and sedimentary, metamorphic are very dense. Dense means you know that what is the meaning of dense? Dense means for example जो सैंड है वो डेंस नहीं है इसलिए वो सॉफ्ट है, बट उसका जैसे एक स्टोन ले लो, पत्थर ले लो, वो डेंस है इसलिए वो ज़्यादा हार्ड है. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेंस. नाउ टुडे वी विल डिस्कस रॉक. What rocks are actual, rock cycle. Rock cycle. How does rock make a cycle? Like a water cycle. As we discussed about water cycle, in that water after the evaporation become clouds, then by the rain it again become like that. The water cycle. Rocks have the cycle formation. Rocks also have the cycle formation. Igneous rocks, also called primary rocks. So in that rocks have a cycle formation. In that, as you know that igneous is the primary rocks. Igneous is the primary rocks. Igneous rocks are the primary rocks. Primary means first. जो फर्स्ट रॉक है वो igneous rocks है. कौन सी रॉक्स है? Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are the primary rocks and are the parent rocks from which all other rocks material originated. And these are also primary rocks and parent rocks. Parent rock from which all other rocks are originates. So igneous rocks are the primary rocks. Primary means first rocks. And parent rock. Parent means you know that meaning of parent. Parent का मतलब होता है माता पिता. So these rocks, which rocks are called also parent rocks? Igneous rocks. So these are the parent rocks also, from which all other rocks are originates. Like how when igneous rocks are subjected to subjected means become a particle or breaks into pieces, many pieces, and become a little particles. So that is the called subjected. Igneous rocks are subjected to weather changes. Now what is the reason behind that subjected? Now what is the meaning of subjected? Now, breaks into many pieces, breaks into many pieces. Breaks into many pieces and become a particle, become a small particle. Particles. Now this one is called subjected. Now igneous rocks subjected to what? Weather changes, then it's subjected and they break down into small pieces. First they break down into small pieces, then later they become a particles, small, and that particle formed, small particle, these small particle formed sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary, the second form of rock after igneous, sedimentary rocks. Okay, these small particles form sedimentary rocks, and later the sedimentary rocks with extreme or high pressure, with extreme or high pressure, with extreme or high pressure, they become or they formed into metamorphic rock. So this is the formation of igneous to metamorphic. Now this metamorphic rocks inside the earth with magma, inside the earth with magma, they convert into igneous rocks again. Okay, so that is the cycle of rocks. Now we can see in a diagram, like this one is the magma. When it cooled down, when it cooled, then it become igneous. Magma cooled, then it become igneous, and by the weather changes, become particles, and particles convert into sediment. or sedimentary rocks. Okay, so this is the formation of sedimentary rocks. Now again, after the sedimentary rocks, the particles of sedimentary rocks convert into metamorphic. They convert into metamorphic, and metamorphic with due to heat, with heat, they again convert into magma, and magma again, when it cool down, then it become igneous. Igneous with weather changes break into small pieces, then become particles. Particles convert into sedimentary. Sedimentary changes the form. Here particles what made? Changes the form. Particles changes form and convert into metamorphic, and metamorphic with heat inside. Where? Inside of earth. Inside of earth with heat. The metamorphic convert into magma, and magma again cool down and become igneous, igneous again and again. So this cycle runs again and again. So this is the rock cycle. Note down all points. Note down all points and make the diagram after this. First you have to ये सारे notes करने हैं आपको अपनी notebook में. Then ये diagram भी बनाना है. After that, और जब ये बना रहे हो आप, तब आपको pause कर देना है वीडियो को. Then you can note down easily. So after that, rock and their uses. This is the rock cycle. This was the rock cycle. Now what are the uses? What are the uses of rocks in our life, in humans' life? There are many uses, various uses. So let's find out what are the uses. Rocks and uses. Rocks and their uses. There are many. Now, first one, the study of rocks. The study of rock are called petrology. The study of rock are called petrology. Sorry. Study of rocks is called petrology. There are very uses of rocks. In that, first we use uses as a building material. Building materials. In that, granite, basalt, marble, sandstone. Granite, basalt, marble, sandstone, etc. So these we use rocks in the building as the building materials. Next one, as fuels. In fuels, coal, petroleum, next one, as source of chemicals. We can find many chemicals from the rocks as source of chemical. In that, potash and phosphate. potash and phosphates, and potash and phosphates mainly find in sedimentary rocks. Okay, next one is as the source of metals, as the source of metals in that copper, iron, gold, etc. These are the metals also found in rocks. As the source of precious stone, as the source of precious stone. I mentioned you that precious stones like gemstones are also found in the between the rocks. Gems and diamonds. Gems and Hire Javaharat, that called gems and stones, diamonds, sorry. As the reserves of fossils, as reserve of fossils. So these are the uses of rocks in our life. This is our second chapter. Complete the question answers from the chapter.